If you visited other islands, you know this. It has, first of all, got a beach all round, which you take it for granted until you visit other islands. And when I say a beach, I mean a beautiful beach all round. So which means that if the wind is in the southeast, you can shelter on the northwest. If the wind is in the northwest, you can shelter on the southeast. If you want to have a bit more adventure, you can swim at the North Point. If you have got a family, you can swim on the whole East Coast, which is completely sheltered. As far as the beach is concerned, Bird is very special. And I'm not just saying that because of my position regarding it. I've visited islands in the Emirates, wild islands, and I have yet to see that. That's one. Second, it's small enough that you can see it all. It's not tiring. You walk around in about an hour and a half. And yet it's not so small that you don't have to bump into people. The number of people who come here specifically for birds has reduced. There are many more people now who come because it's a relaxing place, because it's value for money. It's got a sense of freedom, which is very different than the other islands. The only thing you've got to know is when is breakfast, when is lunch, and when is dinner. Everything else, it doesn't really matter. So I think a lot of people come for the relaxing side of it more than before. Obviously, you are here, you still find it amazing, the birds. There's so many birds. But it's not the only reason. There are other reasons. Snorkeling, walking, swimming, doing nothing, just relaxing, sleeping. I don't know. It's just a very relaxed place. So I think there are people coming for that now, more than before.